don't care if you forget me. I just want there to be more. You can't wait to be remembered, just like the kids before. Take me to the promised land, is what you said I'd get. It's what you said I'd get. Don't care if you forget me. I just want there to be more.
So it's a Sunday before SEMA week begins, and as me and Dane say, this is when all of the cool shit comes in. So this is where all the awesome cars. We just saw the Ice Charger from Fast and Furious get loaded off the truck. We're seeing cars rolling left and right. We have our car right behind you. Woo.
Without seeing a burned out car.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Wow.
I don't know, I can't read the bin. There we go. Come on, get back up. This is nice. An RC 350.
Yeah, it's an RC. Oh, behind it though, I'm about that.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a 997. See the taillights?
In we go. It's funny because there's people that still aren't quite put together, and you're
That's
like,
how this works.
You're like, what's your plan?
Just scream and cry and beat hammers till the last minute. If I just did that with my Miata.
That'd be amazing, Dane. Very dangerous.
Agreed.
this is George here. We'll be taking him home to the Rag Company headquarters, feeding him, clothing him, hopefully putting a Rag Company logo t-shirt on him eventually, because Rupes didn't want him at the end of the day, so we will be providing for him from now on. So you'll see him in future videos at the Rag Company YouTube channel.
Tight squeeze. Yeah.
New Wash Wednesday camera car. What do you
We'll
think?
put it in the budget. Down.
Okay. Anthony, what do you think?
I like it. I think it's necessary.
Absolutely necessary.
It does only have one pump.
And it looks clean again.
Oh, no.
Well, I guess that answers that.
And I need to feel you when you hold me, you unfold me. And I need to feel you when.
So it's day 2 and our legs are already absolutely killing us. And I'm not sure if it's because of the $35 Amazon shoes that we're wearing, but all I know is standing here across from Recaro, we see this oasis of chairs, and it's like starting to be like a mirage where I'm starting to see what looks like a beer cooler and a palm tree next to these chairs. I don't actually think it's there, but I want it to be there. We're all in pain. Am I right, Dane?
My feet are killing me, and those chairs are literally glowing, calling our names.
They're actually glowing. That's not a mirage. That's that real thing there.
truck because I have one and my dad has 2 of them. So. Only the finest that Pepsi for me.
All right, we're Instagram live now. Hey, White Details, how's it going, Jim?
Dane's here.
We're trying to do Anthony a solid because he wants to take home George, the Rupa's Bigfoot. So we're gonna find out if it's still there or if Jason stole him.
Jim, where were you? This was my first time here with the gang from the ride company. It was absolutely amazing.
Jim says next year for sure. I know we didn't do any live during the actual show, so you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek of what goes on after hours. Oh, Gearhead Detailing has joined us.
She needs a beer.
It's kind of intense.
Oh man.
Intense, not intense.
Okay, nice. Right on.
Brian's on the live right now. I'm walking with it, so you can say hi to him much.
The actual truck.
No, the hunt for Bigfoot continues.
Also on a quest.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Elevated Shine, great question. Levi, how much Pepsi did you consume on this trip?
16 liters of Diet Pepsi, baby.
That's-
Pepsi, if you're listening, this guy needs a sponsorship. Let's make it happen.
Cars take gas, Levi takes Pepsi.
Do it. Look at that. He's serious about it.
I mean, because everybody wants to leave, and we're gonna be here for a while, so why not?
We gotta wait for a crate, so. Oh, now we're talking Levi. That's a crazy exhaust. That's rad.
They get to enjoy stuff that nobody else ever sees.
Right. Oh, we're being followed right now.
Literally, like, an hour ago, this whole place was still buzzing. And look at this now. It's closed down.
Right on. We're in the
Oh, right there. Hey, you guys have a good night. Whoa, okay, guys.
Pretty cool power wagon.
I mean, they call Brap Works. That's fun. Have a good night, guys. Take it easy. We'll catch you when we start releasing some content from what all happened here. All right, wave to the camera. We're going by.